Hey, frequent flyers and travel newbies. Ever had something confiscated at airport security and thought, wait, seriously? Well, today, we're diving into some of the weirdest and most surprising items you can't bring in your carry-on. Some of these will make total sense and others, well, let's just say they might leave you scratching your head. On top of our list is metal cutlery. If you were planning to enjoy your in-flight meal with your own fancy silverware, think again. Metal knives and forks are a big no-no in carry-on luggage because, well, sharp objects. Even a butter knife can be seen as a potential hazard. So yeah, best to stick with those tiny plastic ones they give you. Measuring tape confiscated? Okay, now this one is weird. Measuring tape. Yep, they once took mine at security. Apparently it could be used unsafely. Now what else falls under this it could be dangerous category? Other surprisingly banned items include selfie sticks. Some airports ban them because they can be used aggressively in crowded spaces. Fishing hooks, tiny but sharp, and definitely not plane-friendly. Corkscrews, not just for wine lovers, they can have sharp blades. Ski poles and trekking sticks. Great for adventure, not so much for security lines. Small hand tools like wrenches, pliers, and screwdrivers longer than 7 inches. Because, well, we're not fixing the plane mid-flight. Next up, those inflatable travel pillows. While you can bring them, you can't blow them up on board. Why? Because a fully inflated pillow could block exits in an emergency. So, if you want to use one, make sure it's already pre-inflated or partially blown up before you board. And more weird banned items, full-size aerosol sprays. Anything over 100 milliliters is a no-go. Lithium batteries. Some power banks and batteries over a certain wattage can be considered a fire hazard. Wrapped gifts. Security might make you unwrap them, yep, even if it's a birthday surprise. Gel heating pads. Some contain substances that aren't allowed on board. Certain powders. Too much baby powder, protein powder, or coffee grounds. Security might want to check that. So, next time you're packing, double-check that carry-on. You don't want to be that person holding up the security line while they confiscate your measuring tape. Have you ever had something taken at airport security that totally surprised you? Let me know in the comments.